What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ash, and I am back at it. For cold out. I am on my way to. I'm walking to my car right now. I'm on my way to Myers. Your girl's about to chef it up today. So I am going to be hopefully my car. Alright, you guys. So I am currently at Myers looking for food for tonight. Guys, Myers had the exact amount of ground turkey I was looking for, so that's perfect. I'm trying to figure out what is cheaper at Walmart and what is not. And oh, I need bread rolls. So I got the ground turkey from here. I got milk from here because they're having a sale. So I'm gonna figure out what else is on sale. Y'all, I am back. And when I say the cold is treacherous out here, like it is freaking cold today. It's so cold. All I did, I just left out of Walmart. I just got my my ground turkey, my milk, and then I also got some ice cream because the ice cream was on sale. So I was basically just trying to first see if they had some good sales, and they did have good sales on the ground turkey because I know Walmart ground turkey is probably going for like $5-6, and I just spent $4.69. So I'm all about deals. If y'all notice, I'm all about sales, all about deals. I don't care if it's a penny less, I'm going for the deal. So I'm on my way to Walmart now to get the rest of the food, and then I'm gonna start cooking. I might vlog while I'm cooking. That'll make it a little, that can make it like a little cooking with Ash video or something like that. That's probably what I'll title it. So yeah, y'all, I'ma just vlog when I get back to the house and when I'm cooking and stuff, and then I'll see you guys then. Or I'll probably vlog a little bit in Walmart. I don't know though. All right, y'all, I got my so what you want to do essentially is have your ground turkey grounding. So that's what we're doing now. And then we have a bit of onion. So we got our onion in there, got a bit of seasoning salt in there, some onion powder, and then we also did some garlic powder. So that is really good. So we pretty much seasoned. That's basically what we have going on right now. I'm going to be making the Ashley style spaghetti. I used 4 packs of ground turkey. We're feeding a family of 7 here, or 6. We're also going to get some Texas toast to go with that. So that's basically what we'll be having today. I'll come back to you guys when I start the next step. So guys, we're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce as well. Not too much. We don't want to do too much because we don't want it to overpower the turkey. You feel me? So we got our Worcestershire sauce up in there. So we got our Worcestershire sauce. It's now cooking and clucking. Now it kind of looks like I need a little bit more onion in there, so I may dibble and dabble a bit more onion in there as we go. But first I'm just gonna let this simmer down a bit and then add a little bit more onion on top once I add the sauces. Now the thing, we're gonna add 2 different sauces, okay? It is the Alfredo. This is just Walmart brand. Tastes the same if you know what you're doing. Then we got the flavored meat pasta sauce, okay? Walmart brand. Tastes good if you know what you're doing, okay? So those are the sauces we're gonna use. I'm gonna be using 5 jars of sauce, possibly, we'll see. Okay, so yeah, I'll be back with an update soon. All right, you guys, so essentially I'm going to be adding some water to my pot. This is going to be my pasta pot, my spaghetti pot, spaghetti noodle pot, I should say. And I'm just going to add some water. That should be fine. Take it right over here and prepare my... We're going to also turn the fire down on this ground turkey a bit. It has a nice roux at the bottom, which is great. So this is almost ready for sauce. Okay. So we're gonna turn our stove on. Turn our stove on. We got our pasta water boiling. Okay. So now it's time for the next step. I think I'm ready to add my meat sauce in. And this is just the spaghetti meat sauce. So you grab that and you essentially just pour it in the pour it in the ground turkey. So that's what I just did. And then you're gonna literally stir it up real good. I'm gonna let it simmer a bit before I stir it up all the way, because I'm gonna also add my tomato basil garlic pasta sauce. So we want to add that as well. No, actually we are gonna stir it up. So this is the part where I said as I'm going I may add some more onions, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So I'm gonna add a bit of green pepper. So I added some green pepper to the ground turkey. Here's how it's looking so far. And I turned my heat on low so it can just simmer. Green pepper in there. We got all like good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Turn this down a bit because this is almost ready. I'm about to start on the Alfredo. Okay. So we're gonna use this bowl. This bowl is clean. Y'all know when y'all have a bowl for a long time and it's plastic and it looks like this, that's what that is. That's what that is. It's clean. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our Alfredo sauce. 2 jars of Alfredo. Now a lot of people probably make their Alfredo from scratch. I'm not gonna do that today. Was I recording? Yeah, I sure was. I just got an order. Can't see it. All right, so that's awesome sauce. Okay, there. I'm all paid up. Let me know if you need anything else from me. Will do. Guys, now I'm going to do my pasta dish, and I'm using a clear glass. And I'm actually going to preheat the oven to 350. I'm going to go ahead and preheat to 350. And yeah. We're going to strain our spaghetti noodles. Just give it a quick minute. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and create our base, which is the noodles. The noodles will be our base. So I may have cut too many noodles, honestly. But let's see. We have our nice layers of pasta in both dishes. So now we're going to add our sauce. Our Alfredo sauce, yes. Our Alfredo sauce, and we're going to add a nice layer over the top. And like I said, you can do homemade Alfredo, or you can do the jar. So we got our Alfredo good. So now what I'm going to do is go in with my triple cheddar cheese and layer that on top. Alright, so we're going to pop this baby in the oven for about 15 minutes and we'll be all good. Maybe even 10. That's that though.
Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot.